he finally presented a shot, and I took it, and I think it was a great shot. I really do. I'm very confident about the shot, but you never know. So backed out, came back here, Ryan, so let's load up the heavy artillery and get out there and put a tag on him and bring him home.
So we're going to load the trailer. We got factory outlet trailers that we're going to throw the Argo quad on, and the factory outlet tub trailer. So we got all the units here to get the moose out quick. Let's go get some moose meat. If you're looking for a great trailer, factory outlet trailer does a great job. I also use them for enclosed trailers. What we're gonna do soon is we're gonna put that whole thing, we're gonna set that whole trailer up with a solar unit. It's gonna be super cool. The solar unit will have solar power all on the inside, and then in bear camp, moose camp, and elk camp, we won't need the generator. We're just gonna solarize that thing. Anyway, we're ready to go. I'm super pumped. We got some moose meat. Let's go get it.